Hey everyone, H Street's back with another video. Now, I noticed that a lot of people who actually have pretty much been introduced to GarageBand and have downloaded it on their iPhone or iPad have pretty much not dug into what is music and, what actually builds its foundation. So, yeah, one of the first few things that they actually notice on there is mainly live loops or even a whole bunch of instruments. But in order to officially use, your own knowledge and, make music from scratch, you need more than just loops, because loops could only get you so far. They're only meant to spice up your song a little bit and add a little something extra. So, yeah, you can't really choose the chord progression, you can't choose the dynamics, and yeah, it just takes away from the originality. It shows that you didn't put in the effort in order to, make it. You didn't buy that particular instrument. You didn't, play those notes. You didn't try, hard enough or practice well enough in order to, reach that specific style that you actually want or something like that. I mean, this may sound a bit harsh when I say it like this, but it's true. So, let me give you an example of a loop. So all of those were loops. And so I didn't actually make those because I am not a guitar player and I did not, I do not own a guitar. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get to music theory. Music theory is actually the foundation of music. It's the fundamentals, the basics. And within the core basics of music, every note is actually labeled as a letter, A through G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the rest are notes and flats. Sharps and flats. So, yeah, every note actually has a specific pitch. For example, this is A. And I'll play it again. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is G. And the note above is back to A. And that's mainly because this note is A as well. Even though they're different pitches, they're still the same note, and they're actually an octave away. So, yeah. And the notes in between are, sharps and flats. So, yeah. The black keys. But yeah, I'll get to those in the next video. But anyway, this is actually going to be built up until, I cover everything that there is to know about making music in general. And, also making it in GarageBand, because this will actually lead up to GarageBand tutorials as well. So, study this video, and, this will actually help you, progress within your potential musical career. Or your musical hobby. So, whichever path you want to take with this, it's all up to you. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. And 8th Street's out, and God bless.